The Vivo X300 Pro is shaping up to be the best flagship killer and camera phone of 2025. This imported Chinese variant costs around $1,050, $1,150 United States dollars. Inside the box, the phone, a 90W charger, Type-C cable, and a strong TPU case. The unboxing feels premium from the first moment. It comes with a massive circular camera, aluminum frame, and a flat premium body. The Dune brown color looks flagship level. A 6.78-inch 1.5K LTPO display, HDR10, Dolby Vision, and anti-reflection coating. Outdoor visibility is excellent. Powered by Dimensity 9500, scoring 3.3 on Antutu. PUBG supports 120 FPS with strong cooling. A new 50 megapixels front camera with 4K 60 FPS cinematic bokeh. Great stabilization and natural video. Triple setup. 200 megapixels telephoto, 50 megapixels main, 50 megapixels ultra-wide. Supports 8K 30 FPS, 4K 120 FPS, Dolby Vision. A big 6510 mAh battery, 90W wired and 40W wireless. Charging. Bypass charging helps keep battery health strong. Imported price, $1,050 to $1,150 USD. After taxes, final cost is around $1,250, $1,350 United States dollars. If you want the best video and camera performance of 2025, the Vivo X300 Pro is unbeatable. Let me know if you want a full camera comparison.